Hello, I'm Caroline Peacock, and I'm reporting here in MS-20 in the mansion at Holy Child. And I'm here today with Ms. Poccia, who teaches 5th and 6th grade English. I understand you're teaching a breakout session today here at Holy Child. Can you tell me more about it?
Sure. So today at the open house, my students will be using their creativity to come up with a character trait trading card, which is like a big baseball card, but that represents a character from their favorite book or series.
That sounds amazing. Is this something you would do in your English class?
I've actually never done this project with my students, so this is the first time I'll be doing this. I learned about it in a Reading Summit professional development that I went to this summer.
So what kind of characters and traits do you think we'll see tonight?
So you will definitely see some both protagonists and antagonists, whichever are my students' favorites from different books or series. I know we'll certainly have Harry Potter, Ivan from The One and Only Ivan, Augie from Wonder, Winnie from Tuck Everlasting, and so many more.
Thank you for sharing your breakout session with us, Ms. Poccia. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Back to you in the studio.